everyone. The topic for today is buying a franchise. What factors you should consider, like what figures, what financial things you should see when you are buying a franchise. What should be your factors, financial factors? The main factor, like one of the main factor is the rent, because if you are paying very high rent, that is a big factor, because your sales can go down. Like we have seen after COVID, the city business has totally closed. The city shops, malls, they are paying very high rent. They cannot even afford to pay the rent. They have not paid rent for 6 months and they cannot afford. I think that more than 50% business is retail business. They are going to close because they cannot afford rent. The clients, the customers are not coming. So if rent is very high, you are in a big trouble. You are taking a bigger risk. Even if sales is high, doesn't matter, but rent is one of the big factor. Then competition. Just an example of Subway. One Subway shop can open just next to the other shop, because Subway has got policy you can open a new franchise anywhere, unlike other franchises, 7-Eleven or other. So you have to see the competition policy, you have to see the policy of the franchise, whether do they allow the similar franchise next door. You will see Subway in one shopping mall, you will see 2 Subways. In our Blacktown shopping mall, there are 2 Subways. So how will they operate? They are basically competing against each other. They cannot make any profit. Then you see, then the other factor is the owner's wages. When you see financials, when you see last year financials of the business which is selling, you see how much owner has withdrawn it from there. So in case profit is 100,000, but owner has not withdrawn any salary and he has worked all 6 days, then it's not a profit, because that 100,000 is the owner's wages. So basically it is not a profit making business. Then the other is family members. How many family members are working? If you got 4 family members and all 4 people are working in the business, then basically each family member is only withdrawing its salary. It's not worth it. Okay, so you need to see how many people, how many family members are working of the vendor. If vendor is selling any business, then how many family members and how many hours they are giving. Then the next is, you need to see last 2 years financials. In financials, you have to check the sales, you have to check wages, you have to check rent, cost of material, and you need to critically check all the figures. If let us say he's saying that my cost of sale, my cost of goods sold is only 20%, something wrong. Or my wages is only 100,000. Well, if wages is 100,000 and you have 5 full-time staff, then something wrong. So you need to check each and every figure before making a decision, because a lot of time clients manipulate the financial. They pay less wages, they pay on cash, or they hide sales, or they put more sales. They do all sorts of things. So make sure you check financials very thoroughly, very carefully. In case you want our help, just call us on 1300-768-284. We can do a quick analysis. We will do free of charge. Just register on our website and one of the accountants will give you a call. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.